This is the voice of Spooky. Hurt It Up.
Baby, you good in a share, man. Me no carry small axe. Fling it out, make we go in at the yard back. Come sit down, plug your phone pa me charger. And no nothing if you love it or you swallow. Cock up your bumper cause you want jack. You a ball and me harder. Fingernail in a back, you a crabber. Me love your heart like lava. Baby, you good and mad, me can't leave you. Wrap up in the bed, yeah, we not sleep. Only a girl out there want me fi touch them. Me stick with the girl, me not leave you. Touch every day, girl, that's all we do. Out the door in the tall street, no bad means, so when me not treat you. Me and you honey, so me start busy. Force on me love in your goodie and hurt it up. Funny goodie, me a expert, you know.
Your life start from mad now.
She signed to me, she stopped serving.
So this is the voice, bringing to you Spooky live here inside the studio. And that was a song that made waves around the world. Hurt It Up, Spooky. But from after that, I realized...
Yeah, that we need to talk about now.
The music make a turn. Because the songs that you break after that was more on the gangster side. You did one that I really like.
I know your favorite one. You don't love it,
try this.
All right.
That song.
All right.
I think that song didn't get much justice.
Enough song we do when I get no justice.
Yeah.
And this I'm a problem with the selector them. But you know when time artists come and speak out and be like, yo, you not find the right song, you not find the right song, you not find the right song.
Yeah.
You understand? But this are my view on everything, right? You can't tell myself to sing just one type of song.
Yeah.
Remember say you have people when I like that.
Or maybe the material to say what works for you.
No, alright. For me personally, me don't want to be an artist where just do one set of song.
But
that means that
song too.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So why me can do?
But maybe,
and not just listen.
You know, me, you always have a little.
Yeah, hold on, 1 second. Remember say no. Me sing song like now say low to me come from where me born and remember say them song they are reality song, you know.
Yeah.
You have people where you have immigrants cause that are remember well, yeah, money will have boat in I'll come and find and look back, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? So for me, where I want Jamaican, I say, alright, I come to UK, I'm a boss. I now forget my friend them and where I come from. That is a good song. And them sleep panda song, they like sleep. That song then they get no justice.
It is, but is it for the DJs to automatically gravitate to, or is it for the artists to reach out and put some emphasis behind it?
Alright. This alright, I'm glad I bring up that. Listen, this is what me say. You play music,
yeah.
Me sing.
Yeah.
If me come tell you if you play, you'll get annoyed by it. Like me say, yo, come play this, play that. You'll be like, brother, why you want me choose? Why you want to choose the selection? Why you not be the selector then? See, at the same way it go, me the artist. You understand? Me watch the fans them, realize what them want, so me just deliver. Remember, you know, I come from
you're wrong and you're right in the same speech. In my point of view.
Why is I'm wrong?
I'm going to tell you why you're wrong. Because you're never too big to put or you never reach too far to do groundwork.
No, it's not a matter of fact about groundwork. Because me I do the groundwork with a song where it's not a girl song. That mean you not go play it? And that me I try to get across.
No.
So look, remember I'm not from England.
Yeah.
People, if you never know, me never born in England.
Me and you.
You see me? So this foreign thing, I'm from a community where I see head bust.
Yeah.
I know about zinc fence, borders, all of them thing them. You see me? I come from a community where that was the background. You understand? So me have to do song where other people can relate to. I do song like greatness. I see them sleep on it.
Yeah, but that is one of the problems where I find with our music. Cause our music, it's alright to reflect your lifestyle and your growing up and where you were or how you grew up at the time. But then if you're trying to sell your product to a wider audience, it's going to be harder to sell that message because only a particular part of people or diaspora can relate to it. So my idea or my advice to artists, if you're going to do music for a broader prospect, then you can get people to pick and choose from it. But if you do it for a niche, it's nothing is wrong with it. It's alright, but it's not as lucrative as going for.
Alright, you see, for example, I can't say me are the baddest artist and sing girl song alone.
That's true.
You understand?
Yeah.
So no care wanna bring it, I have to do other song.
Yeah.
I can't get up every day of my life and sing one set of song. One to enter you left out a girl juggling and you go on a party song. I want involved too.
Which is right.
Listen, when you change go to a party juggling, I want have 3-4 songs round this too.
Yeah.
You know it's alright. Yeah, when you reach on this, you got hear 3 tiers same way.
In every
So
juggling you want have a finger alright then, cool.
Yeah, in a every era then you're supposed to have a song where you can hear from the artist. You understand? If you go around the sufferation part, you have 2 songs for play for me too.
Right.
If you have go around a bad man part, you have 2 songs for play too.
Yeah.
Anywhere you go, me round there. You see me? So
Rick, if you look at it that way, you know, see when I go acting, beat them with bad mind and it work.
Yeah.
alright, hold on.
Until it change, you have to change too.
Change it, yeah.
You get what I say?
Not a lie.
You have to change because like what Spooky say, him have to in every genre, just like Vibes Cartel. Right
that's something that's what brother.
Cartel can book for Rebel Salute like
Yeah.
how them book Bounty.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, you understand. so what the people them a do, as when I say big up Conscience, you know, because I see Conscience do an interview and him say this, stop box up artists. Remember, you know, people only go talk until a song bust, you know. If
Yeah, but that's what I'm
listen,
saying,
you see,
don't
if me I run with a song where it's not a girl song, you understand? Them a go say, alright, yeah, you know, alright, but until it bust a different thing, you know, everybody a go say, yeah, you know, it did bad long time, and you know this. Them a go change, brother. Me I tell you how people stay.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, Rick, talk the truth. You never get a song yet where you don't like.
Enough time.
Zin, not from me, or from any, just generally, you hear a song where you don't like it, but you hear it so much. It's like your brain just get immune to it.
Yeah, no, for I more of the song when I like it when I say,
Big
see
like
the ghetto where we come from.
Alright, me personally, I say, what wrong with a song like that where you don't like that?
A song like that for your youth will come from the garrison and know the sufferation.
No.
You see me?
Guess listen to what me I say about it. I mean, I'll be 100% true. It's a good song. Nothing is wrong with the song. But at first, when I heard it first, I didn't really like it. Me think it too slow. But
Speed
because
up.
me hear it so much time,
That's this.
me automatically like it.
There's too much faults, brother. Like, alright, look.
But I saw a business go. You can't like everything.
No.
I'm over to have a song when you say you want to say him a big like Jesus.
Big like Jesus. Me don't like that song then.
I would have never played that
I
song.
play that song.
Yo.
But people are play it and people
But
like
listen,
it.
yeah, but at the end of the day, you have people out there who love it. So here one, not because we don't like it.
Yeah.
Me I go suffocate the song.
So now that me I say,
You know
brother,
what I mean?
listen up. Me and you and him is just 3 person.
That's true that.
You see me I say, brother? More of the fan base way big. So if him have 1 million people who like it, we 3 writers can't do nothing.
Yeah.
Nah, count.
Remember, you know, when he hold the mic and say, big like Jesus, and the whole crowd goes, and it has sell much money and him a tour of it. You can't tell him same song no good, you know.
But me no wish name for
Just call me anything you want.
Dear boss.
Yeah.
I realize you on the UK scene because you have so much good song.
Why me not buzz the right way? That type
Me I
of
listen to the word of the streets. I wonder if you do something where them decide say them a go X off tear off of them list for a little while. Because me don't know what go on Chino.
Rick, I'm gonna tell you something. And you see this are going for long, brother. You see UK, you see the real selector them DJ. Them now get that real looking. Back in the days,
Yeah.
man used to bust song in England.
Yeah.
Don't wait for a song for bust a yard before it reach up here. And that me see if a song not at a yard, them a say it not at. Just for example, me there Manchester play, right? And me see the man them play what name? Swash song. Right? And everybody stand up.
Yeah.
Because you know why them don't reach to a DJ up there with embrace that song there.
Yeah.
For push his song. So man like Brain Tear now, if Brain Tear no go here and spend like all that 3 months and out there in the white line.
It's like
It's like say the song now get no passport, forget visa for come and find
brother, why, alright, for example, you notice, you hardly see me in England, right?
That's true. That's why I say, me I say,
you see, let me show you. You see, if me not Jamaica, I'm in my yard.
I not see up on it, I not see up.
The only reason why I come out today, because you tell me, say me have interview.
Yeah, I don't like that. That's true, because me not even, brother, you know, allow me say me want link to you, but every time I look on him in Instagram, I be a Jamaica post, me I say.
Yeah, because, watch out, you see, if the man them in England farm, alright, I'm show you an example. The man them in Mobile farm one alliance, you know, you see it at work?
Yeah.
You see me? The man them now run go town for not selector again. Them now run go town for not producing nothing. Them just a farm them own an alliance.
Right,
you see me? And it a work. So you see, if them do the same thing at England, stop talking about, that song you run yard, wait. That song you run England, listen
work
this.
Yeah.
England me come from, hear this. When you left England and go play somewhere, the same thing you have to do. Yo, that song you run England, listen this. And you will see.
Which is right.
Because to be truthful in front, you are and when you're gone, me always say this: melody is one of your biggest asset, and you know how to make one word become a whole phrase, and it just sounds good. So you know, as I said before in the beginning of the interview, you didn't have to do a lot of songs that word per words in the song.
Yeah, you
just
can.
because the hurt it up is just
the
even
melody.
when you started was very effective. Simple, but moving on from the hurt it up, you have a new thing we're out right now.
Loyalty, and we have a next thing named Immigrant.
Loyalty, at the art song, I like it's a trend, but I like
foolishness. That's why I'm doing it purposely. You never know
because
that.
it makes sense.
Watch out. Romantic. Yo, me I say, what me I do yet in a music? For example now.
Yeah.
Alright, tell me say now go play this now.
What that?
Immigrant.
Me not play Immigrant
Well,
because
well,
I first show this me have.
No, well, but you like it, no?
Yeah.
And it's not a girl song, right?
It's not a girl song.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You see me?
That's true still.
So you have to give the artist. You have to give the artist time for, develop in a certain era.
Like what we do? Because since you're there right now,
I hear that song.
People, if you never hear it, and you, as I said, if you live on a rock, bring here have a new little freestyle.
A joke thing I don't understand. It was viral, Magana.
Him call it. What name is
Immigrant.
Immigrant.
No, because here why? First me say, Noah say,
yeah.
Nah, and then couple days after me, an immigrant, and I say, no, Noah thing push aside.
Yeah. Call it immigrant because it makes sense. It makes sense.
You know what I mean?
It makes sense. People, here what? This is Tear Boss live right here, and you know what we're gonna do? Press play, and we'll see what go on.
I heard him.
Yeah, hear it? Yeah, hear it?
I heard him going on.
Lord, man.
I'm reading, but I just hate me out.
Oh, is that it?
That's it, intro.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, you loop it.
Yeah.
Alright.
See what go on now?
Toast. Every immigrant I me know can float. Tell the government we come in on a boat and we thankful. Yeah, and so we hide and boast. Cause we not have no visa, we not have no passport. Run from policeman can't get deport and we thankful. Blessings for all for me life and the boat could bring up everybody, so I'm glad some jump in first. Yeah, if we reach foreign is a must.
Alright.
Blessings for all for me life and make a toast to my friends that chuck on the boat. One time we did broke and sit down on the road. Now we glad to see the boat and we gone with it. You know a long man will reach for ring. No, actually I love it out. Yeah.
No, I want to give a piece right again. Seriously, because I like it. People, once again, Tear Boss, you're live.
Yo, you can never ask me for read him because I have it too.
You have read him?
Go and sing it. Go and sing it.
Go and sing it upon this.
Listen,
Yeah.
you know a long man will reach for in. Work with the Africans, get a little thing. Build up mummy house and stock me saving. Find somebody parried where you gotta do the right. Me see your brother from round so far, word from round so. Him say you just reach, and me say you know so. Him say find a girl and married, put up your photo so you solid enough for it and them can't deport you. Can't ball in a life, man. The boat could bring up everybody, so me glad, so me jump in first. Yeah,
Alright.
for reach foreign is a must. Blessings for all for me life and To my friends that check on the boat. One time with the broke can sit down on the road. Now we gotta see the boat and we gone with it. The priest say, no immigration no fine we. What we a go show we? Now no ID. The priest say, no immigration no fine we. What we a go show we? Now no ID. Make we avoid them. If them a come, make we hide them. Cause me no want go home on a flight. No bother about ya. Blessings for all for me life and fear.
See you way, so go on with it.
Go on with it.
You know we love deep to the TGM Radio UK, right here on the Upper Lively Show. We got the brain tear boss up in the building. Ain't no just stay and go with a vibe, you know what I mean?
Okay, it continuously. Alright, so let me say man, just go and sing some song. Give me a mix and so. Alright. Cushion on my brain, rum in my cup. Living lavish life and me never chop. Gucci whip on my body, me money enough. Pull up na the party, me girl a bubble for me and a back it up. And me a the top ball and me a the Danny no. Straight fully designer from me see me gang you know. Nobody know. Chop, where me are from a day? Fully designer. Chat no money dog see the kinda. Big body Benz with the spoiler. Let me girl a left she a styler. Pull up in a the Freestyle, you made up on the radio. And a freestyle, alright. Freestyle, yo, when me figure with it. What you know about rich? Yeah, man living life right now. Man young and living life right now. Give me a bad mix, man. Watch it. So me do what me feel anytime. Make a ride out, man a wheel with the bike and up a first class to the seat when me fly. Shellongy party we do it every night. Down to the blind man don't see it so me hype. Me mother we get anything from she so fi bite. And you see a cream load up on the seat when me drive. And a Rolex when me tell the time. What you know about rich? Yeah, man living life right now. Man young and living life right now. Alright, here, what a styler. When the thing never turn up and me never did a fly. Them they beside me side when me did a fi try. Man could do by the lobster fit as we fry. Let me watch me gonna sit and a cry. The thing a shot and everybody say nothing can hold me down, not even gravity. Yeah, when you see me and the tear them out. Alright, freestyle, alright, yeah. Alright, him change the rhythm again. Alright, yo, hey. Yo, I can't do no swearing, you know. That kill me right now, you know. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, hold on. Alright, listen. Me make them hear me like the blind, see me like the deaf. Spooky on the beat, a phone of DJ, I go fret. Yo, dog, me find a gear, the lead, me come for tech. Me singing at the studio every day, so turn my sweat. The music ready for me, lyrics like the devil are the girl, them say me need me have the ready body. I'm a shot for the year, some artists no find a gear. What time now, dog? Spooky pass everybody. In at the street, now get me pissed off. Give me the high grade with the wheels and me light it and me smoke it fast. Big up my uncle Big Sip and my father named Chris Cross. Boss like Rick Cross, make the money so we rich fast. No violate the click, we sick your face, we get licked off. You want this spooky, the brain tear click boss. If you violate a man, you know set a in and cop pen. We defend it fast, now the street, the girl them love me off. Everywhere me go, the girl them want me off. This walk them say me a feel like, come let me a lollipop. Every girl a road want me off, nah. Everywhere me go, them short me a star, chew me a Sammy, a link. From Tower Hill and Rick, they a dog. How we are yoke up, freestyle yo. Hey, me see a girl named Patsy. And me say last say tell her say alright. So me a go sing for an old man with him. I'm look yeah, stop be a them thing I'm the wrong line. Alright. Yeah, tear line. For the girl them. Alright now. I me say baby yo. No shame man, me no carry. Skinny tone, make we go in a the chop. Come sit down, plug you for me charger. I know nothing if you love it, I just chop. Cock up your bumper cause you want jack. You a ball of me harder. Fingernail in a back, you a crabber. Every girl sing the part, yeah. Baby, a good and mad, me can't leave ya. Night every day, yeah, me want see ya. Only if a girl out there want me fi touch them. Me stick with the girl, me nah leave. Touch every day, girl, I saw me. Out the door in the tall tree. No bad ways of when me not treat you want me only so me start these. All of it in your earth it up. Honey, tell me you're expert, you know. As she see me pants and skirt, the fuck she saying to me. Alright, you know what, tear. Put a money for you and make it dopey fast. So the tear them turn you in a dopey bath. Any boy try give me toughy talk. Off of the earth when me brush him off. So me know. This me a flex, so me grow. Brain tear gang for life, man say loyalty that me know. From a warm me up for me dog them. No chance of luck with me dog them. From me young man say. Alright. What is now? Alright, okay, freestyle, I'm in the building, spooky brain tear boss. Where I say time's up. Stop do that, man, listen. Yo, the time not up. Stop show the sign there. Listen to me, listen to the rhyme there. You see over there, so get the knife and you see the piece of apple there and cut the piece of lime there. Alright, you see the Rolex, the piece of time there. She a tell me some fresh dog, you see the style there. Alright, freestyle, tear boss in the building, you know say. Alright, hold on. Me them a watch me a laugh. On the whole street, no a fox me a talk. Me career turn up so loud till it deaf them and make them sit down and have to watch me a pass. Tear boss, you know me. Hey, people. Tear boss, you know.
G Radio right here in the UK, Spooky Brain Tear Boss.
Yeah, we touch you.
And drop a bag of
you want a piece, eh? Yeah, man.
You know what the thing go up in the building.
Run it, man.
What you mean?
More freestyle, man.
Yeah, man. You know, say people, them always do that something and quick run, but a good thing, me bad, man. Me a bad artist,
Which
man.
is right. Definitely. Right now, people, Brain Tear Spooky with you live inside the building. This is an open live show. Freestyle hot.
Yo,
Hot.
Shit.
Hot.
I'm afraid of the times of sign there, you know. Why you always do that?
No, the time is the time is
The
fast
time is
approaches
now.
right now, and the time is now. I
So
would like you
run
inside the building.
it.
We're
Yeah.
into your Spooky, and we're gonna be exiting the building shortly. But before we go, can you just tell people how to find you and find your music online for us? If you just talk out the socials to me quick and fast.
Yeah, you can follow me at Instagram at TearBoss and everything else at Brain Tear Spooky.
Everything else just simple, sir.
Yeah, simple, easy.
How you spell it for me?
SPOOKIE. Yeah, not with a Y, people.
Not with a Y.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, why not with a Y, man?
Alright, this is what we're gonna do like a outro. I'm about like a special thing for you, so we're gonna be taking the next 45 seconds and I'll give you a quick 16 on this. Alright, so people, this was Brain Tear Spooky. Remember, you can log on to our YouTube channel, you can search for the Up on Live show,
So like,
and you can see all the previous interviews that we've done right here. So people, Spooky is gonna be taking us out of this interview with a brand new piece of material in one drop right as a go
we
on.
can't swear no.
No,
Still
no
can't
swearing can't go on.
Oh, the rhythm starts play from top, man, from the beginning. And the people in Pony Life can't hear the rhythm, you know.
It's not a rhythm.
Oh, you loop it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be a loop here work around now.
A loop go on.
Alright, listen.
Outro.
Just touch down like JetBlue. Ask Jimmy when me step through. Paparazzi a rush me to. Dog, you know see some man a make news. Me touch down like Delta. A Louis V pan a belter. Gucci fragrance for me body. Try sit down if you can't stand a sector.
Lie.
Nicky want me in a the cho. Me long that a cho. Me can't swear dog. That's why it stop me. You know. Alright, hold on. Just touch down like spaceship. Tear boss, me a the greatest. Jamaica me from where we shot. Oh yeah. Me can't swear it. Dog, get a
Madness. Which is right. Thank you very much for passing through Brain Tear Spooky.
Fully
People,
tear.
remember, fully tear now. Make sure you go and follow the journey. Subscribe. And you have some brand new thing. Make sure you support the immigrants something like that go on to. And the brand new single he has out right now. Loyalty. People, make sure you go and subscribe to that. Log on to him on all digital platforms. Spotify, iTunes, YouTube, and all of that, alright? Remember, you support us while we support you. Thanking everybody that's been watching the show. Keep it locked. That was Brain Tear Spooky. We're going to be dropping some brand new dancehall music right here. Stick and stay. We're going to be jogging up until 12. Chino, oh, go on, brother.
Boy, I'm there. I was at 12 o'clock.
No, me I stay till 12, man. I do overtime tonight.
Alright, no problem. Up in the building. You know the thing go. TGM Radio, the whole Up and Lively show. Big up to everybody with locked in.
Till 12.
You know what I mean? Till 12 them says I'm good enough free time over